He's going to back up all the way in the pit area. He's going to go straight on. As I had mentioned earlier, as you can see, the front end of that truck missing some pieces. Larry was very excited, but very unsuccessful last night at this stunt. I can guarantee you one thing, Guthrie, one thing I can guarantee you, whether this stunt goes perfect or it goes horribly wrong, it's going to be extremely exciting. There's only about 3 people in the world that have ever tried this stunt. 2 of them are no longer willing to try it again. The third one is right here with us tonight at Lazy Arena. Most I need you to help me now. Show here behind us. This is a death-defying stunt. 10,000 pounds in the air. Unsuccessful in 2 nights in a row. Larry's definitely been having some trouble with this stunt. Not able to make it happen tonight in Guthrie, Oklahoma. Landed really hard upside down. That is 10,000 pounds. 10,000 pounds of truck coming down on top of Larry. It looks gentle, but I can guarantee you, inside that cab, it is a wild and very painful ride. These guys, safety is number 1 to us here. They do have the 5-point harness. They do have the neck brace and the helmet on, but they're locked in there so tight when they roll these trucks over. That is a lot of weight, a lot of inertia coming to in a very abrupt stop. This is a very painful stunt for Larry. Landed upside down with 10,000 pounds. It looks like he's got his helmet out. He's out of the truck. How about a round of applause?